Step 1. Research and planning. Before diving into creating a YouTube channel, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and planning. Start by identifying your niche or the specific topic you want to focus on. Consider your interests, expertise, and the potential audience you want to reach. Once you have a clear idea of your niche, research existing channels in that area to understand what works and what doesn't. Take note of their video styles, content strategies, and audience engagement. This research will help you carve out a unique space for your channel and avoid overcrowded topics. Step 2. Setting up your Google account. To create a YouTube channel, you need a Google account. If you don't have one, go to Google's homepage and click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to set up your account, ensuring you choose a professional email address that aligns with your channel's brand. Once your Google account is ready, visit YouTube and sign in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Follow the instructions to set up your channel's name and description, keeping in mind the niche you've chosen. Step 3. Designing your channel. Your channel's design is the first impression viewers will have, so make it count. Start by creating a visually appealing channel banner that reflects your brand and niche. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to design professional-looking graphics. Next, upload a profile picture that represents you or your brand. This could be a logo or a high-quality photo of yourself. Ensure your channel's layout is organized, making it easy for viewers to navigate and find content. Step 4. Creating content. Your content is the heart of your YouTube channel, so focus on creating high-quality videos that provide value to your audience. Plan your content calendar, deciding on the types of videos you'll produce and their frequency. Invest in good equipment, such as a quality camera and microphone, to ensure your videos are visually and audibly appealing. Write engaging scripts and practice your delivery to maintain viewer interest. Remember to edit your videos professionally, adding graphics and music where appropriate. Step 5. Uploading and optimizing videos. Once your videos are ready, it's time to upload them to your channel. Click on the Create button in the top right corner of YouTube and select Upload Video. While uploading, pay attention to video titles, descriptions, and tags, as these are crucial for search engine optimization, SEO. Use relevant keywords that your target audience might search for. Create custom thumbnails that are eye-catching and accurately represent your video's content. This will help attract more viewers and increase your video's click-through rate. Step 6. Promoting and growing your channel. After uploading your videos, focus on promoting your channel to reach a wider audience. Share your videos on social media platforms, forums, and relevant online communities. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche to tap into their audience. Consistency is key, so maintain a regular upload schedule to keep your audience engaged. Monitor your channel's analytics to understand what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. With dedication and persistence, your YouTube channel will grow and thrive in 2025.